everyone, today I'm sharing with you how to make strawberry and banana smoothie. That is very easy to make, great idea for the hot weather, that is very refreshing, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Just look at this. Let's get started. So these are my washed strawberries. I went ahead and cut the head and then divided it into two, added it to a plastic bag, and then I kept it aside. Then I moved to the banana. So that's what you're looking for. Put it in a plastic bag or in a bowl and then put it aside. So now let's move to the banana. So the banana, go ahead and peel your banana and divide it into smaller pieces as seen in the video. Put it in a plastic bag and keep this one aside as well. So when done, transfer all in a big bowl and cover it. So the milk that I'll be using, I froze it as well. So cover it and then put it in your freezer for about 7 to 8 hours or until it is frozen. So the next day I took it out and then I added all of these ingredients to my blender. I added in milk and sugar as well, covered it and blended until it was smooth. So I didn't add in much milk. I'll leave the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So blend until it is smooth like so, and you are good to go. This is why it is called smoothie, guys. Just look at this. Wow, the creaminess, the thickness, the eyes in it, mama mia. It took it to the next level, guys. Just look at it as if it's store-bought, but then it's homemade. Just look at it. I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try. Let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Great idea for the hot weather. For summer, you know what you have to do already. So just look at it, guys. Wow. Please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to give this video a comment, share, subscribe to my channel, follow my page if you haven't already, and guys, just look at this. And as always, you're invited. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all and stay blessed. Adios. Mwah.